Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rashmi Chauhan and today we will start our new chapter Algebra. So before starting this chapter we should know about algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is another branch of mathematics in which we will study about variables, constant and sign and symbols. So what is our first topic of this chapter? Matchstick pattern. What is our topic? Matchstick pattern. Suppose that I want to make one L here. So for making L, how many matchsticks are required? This is matchstick and this one also. So how many matchsticks are required for making one L? 2 matchsticks. Similarly, for making 2L, how many matchsticks are required here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 matchsticks. And for making 3L, how many matchsticks are required? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is like a pattern. I can write 2, 2 into 1 and 4, 2 into 2, 6, 2 into 3. So what we are observing here, 2 is fixed and 1, 2, 3 it is changing. What is this? 1, 2, 3. This is number of L's. Because for forming 1L, how many matchsticks required? 2. For forming 2L, how many matchsticks are required? 4. For forming 3L's, how many matchsticks are required? 6. So what is 1, 2, 3 here? This is number of L. Number of L. So I can write it like that 2n. I can write it 2n where n is variable and its value is 1, 2, 3 and so on. And now suppose that you have to form 30L. So it is not possible for you forming like that. You cannot draw it like that. Because 30L, it is very difficult. So what we will do, 30L. For forming 30L, how many matchsticks are required? As we know, for forming 1L, how many matchsticks are required? 2. So what we will do, we will multiply this 30 by 2. Because for forming 1L, we need only 2 matchsticks. So for forming 30L, how many matchsticks are required? 60 matchstick. 60 matchsticks. So we can use this pattern like that. So we can take some another example. But before taking some another example, first we will discuss about variables. What is variable? As you know, variable means means that can be changed. Its value is not fixed. Value is not fixed. Variables are alphabets. Its value is not fixed. It depends on question. It can be changed. So for forming, now I am taking some another example of matchsticks pattern. For forming A, how many matchsticks are required? 1, 2, 3. So I can write it 3n. For forming W, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4n. For forming V, 1, 2. 2n. And for forming M, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we require 4n matchsticks. Now our new topic is use of variables in geometry. use of variables in geometry. So how can we use in geometry? Suppose that here I am taking one square. What is this? This is square because its all sides are equal and I am taking its side is A. So you know perimeter of square, because we know perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter is what? Perimeter is, what is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter formula is sum of all sides, and it is square and its all sides are equal. Its one side is A, so that's why it's this side A, and this one is also A. And sum of all side means we can add it A plus A plus A. Now what we will get? 4A. So what we are observing here? 4A. A is what? Length of square, and A is variable also. A is, what is A? A is variable. Its value is not fixed. It can be changed. It's depend on question. Suppose that I am taking one example. Find perimeter of square whose side is 4 centimeter. So here we have to find perimeter of the square and side is 4 centimeter. So we know perimeter equal to 4 into side, and what is side here? 4 centimeter. So that's why our answer is 4 4s are 16 centimeter. So what we are observing here, A value, variable value is here 4. So it can be different. Now I want to take one more example. Next is rectangle. What is this? This is a rectangle because its opposite sides are equal. What is property of rectangle? We know opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Suppose that its length is L and breadth is B. So this side is also L and this one is also B because its opposite sides are equal. And perimeter of rectangle is sum of all sides. Now add all sides. L plus B plus L plus B. L both are like term. We can add it. L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B, and 2 is common here. 2L plus B. This is general formula of perimeter of rectangle. So basically what I am explaining here, this is a derivation of perimeter of rectangle. कभी आप भूल जाते हैं formula, so you can derive it like that. And what is L and B here? L and B, where L and B are variables. Okay, they are variables. Its value is also not fixed. It can be changed. It's depend on the question. For example, here I am taking an example. Here is one rectangle. Its length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Now find its perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So what is length? Length is 3 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. Now add it. 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 to the 10 centimeter.